Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. It's a fast and easy tutorial. Fampay is a mobile app that allows users to send and receive money from family members and friends. It works by linking your bank accounts and debit cards to the app. Once linked, you can send or receive money from those accounts or other Fampay users. Go to the Play Store on your device and tap to open it. Once it's open, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. A profile menu will pop up with options like Manage apps and device notifications and offers payments and subscriptions, Play Protect library settings, help, and feedback. Now tap on the Help and Feedback option. The Help page will open. Here you'll see sections like Popular help resources need more help. Send feedback. Scroll down and tap on the search bar. Type in Transfer Balance. The results will load. Currently, you cannot transfer Google Play balance to Fampay because it's not available as an option. If you type Fampay in the search bar, you'll only see options like Add cash to your Play balance and others. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.